As you see it, man, the market give it take it away. Had a nice green day, went down, went up, now coming back down. All right, I read the headline today that in the speech, Donald Trump said he's not going to, well, he's taking the troops out of Greenland. So that made the market go up like it's coming back down. If I'm not mistaken, I think he comes on and talk again today around about 2:30, between 2 and 3. But I did read the headline about him taking the troops out of Greenland, so that would make the market start to go up. Gonna see what's gonna happen. Like I said, if I'm not mistaken, I think he do come on again to talk between 2 and 3 o'clock this afternoon. So see what's gonna happen then. Usually when he had to come on around that time, the market will go up and it'll sell off before he goes on. If he talk a little bit dovish, the market can go back up. But if he talk hawkish, as they say, it's going to fall more. So that's what it is. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Buy limit orders, buy orders that triggered. Well, first I'm gonna start right here. Let me do this, knock this one out. Ticker INTC. Intel has been doing well, made a new 52-week high right now at 53.27. Right now I am up 173%. I held on to 20 shares. I sold, this is gonna show it, 22 shares at 41.48. Long time ago I should have held on to them. But that was before Nvidia came to buy into them and all that. It went on a quick run. But I do have another position in my Cash App portfolio that I held on for the long term and the long run. We got YMAX. When I've been buying is on its way back up, which is now it's coming back down. So go ahead and get some of this too. Not loading up, just dollar cost averaging on in. It got up to like 982. I got buy limit orders in at 971, which it should trigger right here. I got it in for 2 shares. Usually I do 5 shares a day, but I noticed it started to consistently fall, making new 52-week lows. And it all got to do with this stuff doing with Greenland and Donald Trump, whatever he gonna do with it. So I got a buy limit order for YMAG at 13.42 for 2 shares. But I am buying these dips because I know the stock gonna go back up. It already went on the run for the day, but for whatever reason, it's coming back down. Welcome to the stock market. Stock market is like a roller coaster ride, man. Some days is up, some days is down. KHC 21.99. I went and got $5 worth for this. You know, this having a sell off because 6.8% dividend yield. What's the dude name? Warren Buffett. You know, his company, they selling, said they gonna sell their stake or their position in crafts. So that made the stock market, will make the stock go down. People panic selling, wondering why they're gonna get out. I'm gonna buy every dip of it. That's 6.8% yield. Like I say, that's one stock I'm gonna keep, but probably gonna make my exit out of it, being that it's a processed food company. I'm no big believer in it. I think the way things going for the United States, you know, we had been having a obesity problem for years, but I think people are starting to wisen up, dealing with the UPFs, the ultra processed foods they call it. Another stock that's gonna take a hit is GIS. That's another one I'm trading, but people gonna buy KHC and GIS just for the dividend. They got a nice dividend payout history. So people gonna buy them because they dividend plays, but I'm gonna make my X when they go on a run. But it's also something you just buy and hold just for the dividend, man. One pay a 6.8% yield, one pay a 5 something. I'm just gonna get out of it because I don't eat none of their products. The Kraft cheese is the only thing I might get for my kids, but it is what it is. Robinhood got down to 105.68. Well, 104.25. I'm sorry, but nice price for you to go get you some of this. Hood is a long-term play. You got Bull came down today, just came down, had a buy limit order go in with that one. This another one, anytime you catch Bull at $8 and under is really a buy. This just gonna need some good old earnings to come on, to come on through. And when it squeeze, go scalp profits because it might come back down. Got SoFi at 25, 22. Definitely go get you some of this. Another one came down. I grabbed 25 shares. PCF down to 602. This is a dividend play. To show y'all what it pays. It pays 0.058 every month in a dividend. Like I said, got the 602. This my position I carried over from Webull. Get one share 6.02. Not loading up on this one, not in this portfolio. I got an average cost of like $6.50 something if I'm not mistaken in my other one. But this one I just want the monitor to bring it over here because right now I'm not trading in my Webull portfolio outside of that stock. 910 for HPP. Buying dollars. They stopped paying a dividend, so they got a lot of money to reinvest back into their company to fix things. We got Netflix, $81.95 is where it went down to. Go get you some of that today. They acquiring that Warner Brothers, so that's gonna carry a lot of debt they got to bail themselves out of. So you might have a couple quarters to get right with them. 1056 for NFL. Why? Go get a share of that. Pay out every week. I brought 5 shares at $11. When Netflix down, you got to get some of that. When it goes up, this gonna go up also. GIS. The General Mills got down to 43.43. 5.44% dividend yield. 52-week low, 42.78 with a high of 67.35, which is probably never gonna see again. Just being realistic. Just gonna be a dividend play, man. You want dividend? That'd be a nice one to have. Ready Capital coming down 6.58%. $2.27. Let's go see the 52-week low is 197. Wait, you could catch around that $2 range. That'll be excellent. Let's see where my buy limit orders at. 198. They're going a nice little squeeze there, $2, which I got my orders in. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let's go check our traps. See the market coming down, so might be some more things to buy that's on my list. I'm done with my list. Realty Older made another 52-week high. I want to say I watched a video yesterday. Somebody was stating that 61.94, so it's trading near it. Remember, this stock was like a 76, 80 something dollar stock at once. 5.28% dividend yield. Let's see what else going on out here. We got KHC. RC Dynex Capital made a new 52-week low, 52-week high, I'm sorry. Now that's selling off. Seem like people taking profits on REITs and BDCs. Got Starwood. Why they selling it, I don't know. It pays 17 cents a share every month. But, some people might be up handsomely just scalping some profits of it. Gonna get some Starwood. It's a 10% dividend yield. Nice buy and hold stock. Nobody asked you to do that. Let's go back to Starwood. There we go. 52-week low 16.59 with a high 21.05, 10.54% yield, quarterly paying yield. CHCT, Community Health Care, 10.99% yield, 52-week high is 20.67. Let it pull back some more before I touch it. Vici like it's starting to come back down. It's low enough for me to buy it right here. All right, BGS Foods, you can do whatever you want. You just stay your butt above that $4 mark. That's the only thing I need you to do. I just want to keep you for the dividend play. Redwood Trust down another 2% from yesterday. Again, having a little market sell-off again. Here we go. ORC, I was up in this. Well, still up, but my other portfolio was at 822 on yesterday. But you know those dividend plays, so keep it for the cash flow. MSFO down 2.25%. Options on Microsoft. Give me another $5 worth of that. We'll bring down that average cost some. Pay out every week. Got NFLY. My IWMY been doing good. That was up like 20.75 today. Got that on $1 a day recurring. Charge point down 2.06%. Long-term play. If you don't like the EVs, stay out of it. I'm already in it, so we have to make it do what it do. Like I say, I'm holding this to 2027 anyway. GMRE, good right there. Now they want you to buy whole shares instead of fractional shares now. Which don't make no sense. It's just stupid. Y'all gonna mess up y'all volume, falls on y'all bias with doing that. It's the 52-week low. I get one at 20.90. Does pay out every week. That one at 20.82. LFGY down 2.66%. Pick some of that up. YBit down 2.19%. Just made a new 52-week low, 32.18. So if that's there, let's go check out where Bitcoin trading at. Get another $2 worth. YBit, since it's down, Coney down again, another 2%, 37.41. They making new 52-week lows. All right. So check check this out. I know y'all heard me say this before. I think I'm just about to ride with yield with the Yield Maxes with YMAX and YMAG from Yield Max. All the ones that done did a reverse stock split, I'm just putting it on $1 a day, and I'm probably not gonna buy any more ever. And just let them just rock out. Use the dividends to buy, reinvest those dividends in the YMAX and YMAG. If I'm gonna deal with the Yield Max, like I say, man, they ain't doing nothing but coming down. They losing NAV. Look at the last 3 months. This here the pattern. So let's call it what it is. It is for cash flow. Most people say reinvest half and use half until another play. I'ma just do that. A dollar a day and let it do what it do and reinvest the dividends. But they all for income. But you can't look. You got to look at the total return for the Yield Max ETF. So when you looking at them, you need to count your dividends. You got to go back and count all your dividends you got and look at your loss. If you're down $2,500, let's say like a 13%, you down 2,600, but you got 3,200 in dividends. That means you up you got a total return of $600. So that's how you got to look at it. So do what you want with that. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna give y'all the other ones I like too. I like QDTE and XDTE, RDTE, SPYT. I like Maggie, MAGY. So those are the ones I'm gonna be going for. And I like Clip, KLIP. I'm gonna use the dividends from Coney and all that to reinvest into the other ones. But I got them on $1 a day recurring still, to let them take $1 every day to reinvest back into it. Dollar cost average into it. One day it's gonna settle up and meet in the middle to where my average cost will be around the market price. Like MSTY, let's go look at this one. 2901. 2883. But not like that. But like I said, it got this terrorist thing and this Greenland thing going on too. So that could kind of be shaking up the market. But yeah, so you can't do wrong with trading the option ETF dealing with the Magnificent Seven or the S&P 500. You know that's gonna be down temporarily and that's gonna go back up. So you got ticker ACHR. This one I gave y'all about the aviation. Got this on $1 a day recurring. Got 5% off right now today. So we're gonna get $10 worth. That's what you got to do on the down days. You go in and buy. 52-week high of 1462. We'll get another 10 of it at this price. Just to bring that average cost down some. NSA was one I added on. Oh, that's the storage one. Okay. Nice dividend yield on that one. We got ITA I added on. I think I got this on the $1 a day recurring. 237 at 240. Well, yeah, that is it. Have a good day, man. It's a little warm out there today. I think we got 2 cold days today and tomorrow. Well, warm days today and tomorrow. I think Friday is gonna get back cold, especially for the weekend. I know. But signing off. Go get your money.